VS Code, JetBrains, or Sublime Text. Which code editor actually makes you more productive? They're all popular, but they're built for totally different developers. Let's compare. VS Code is Microsoft's free open-source code editor. It's lightweight, has a massive extension marketplace, and dominates developer surveys. Works on everything: Windows, Mac, Linux. Perfect for web developers and anyone who wants a customizable free editor. JetBrains IDEs are a suite of professional IDEs: IntelliJ for Java, PyCharm for Python, WebStorm for JavaScript, and more. They're paid, powerful, and packed with intelligent coding features, built for serious developers and enterprise teams who need deep language support. Sublime Text is a fast, minimalist code editor known for its speed and distraction-free interface. It's lightweight, boots instantly, and handles massive files without lag. Ideal for developers who prioritize performance and simplicity over features and intelligent coding. JetBrains wins here easily. Their IDEs have the smartest code completion, refactoring tools, on-the-fly error detection, and deep framework integration. They understand your entire project structure. VS Code has great IntelliSense and language servers, but it's not as powerful out of the box. You need extensions. Sublime Text has basic autocomplete and syntax highlighting, but no real intelligent features. For advanced coding assistance, JetBrains dominates. Performance and speed, Sublime Text is the fastest, opens instantly, handles 100 megabyte plus files smoothly, and never lags. VS Code is pretty fast but can slow down with lots of extensions or large projects. JetBrains IDEs are the heaviest. They index your entire codebase, which makes them powerful but resource-intensive. First launch and indexing can take time. If speed is everything, Sublime wins. For balanced performance, VS Code is solid. Extensions and customization, VS Code has the biggest extension marketplace. Thousands of plugins for every language, framework, and workflow. You can turn it into almost anything. JetBrains IDEs have plugins too, but fewer. They're designed to work well out of the box. Sublime has a plugin ecosystem through package control, but it's smaller and less active. For customization, VS Code is unbeatable. Language support. JetBrains offers specialized IDEs for specific languages: IntelliJ for Java/Kotlin, PyCharm for Python, WebStorm for JavaScript/TypeScript. Each is deeply optimized. VS Code supports everything through extensions. It's a generalist that works well for most languages. Sublime supports multiple languages but without intelligent features. For specialized work, JetBrains is best. For multi-language projects, VS Code is more flexible. Pricing, VS Code is completely free. Sublime Text is technically free to evaluate indefinitely, but the license is $99 one time. JetBrains IDEs are $149 to $249 per year per IDE, or $249 per year for the All Products pack. They offer free licenses for students and open-source projects. For budget, VS Code wins. For professionals, JetBrains is worth the investment. Choose VS Code if you want a free, highly customizable editor with great community support. Choose JetBrains if you need the most powerful intelligent coding tools and work on enterprise projects. Choose Sublime Text if you value speed, simplicity, and a distraction-free experience. What's your daily driver? Comment below, like, subscribe, and happy coding.